One of the options to rosewood is utilizing weathered whiskey barrel. And what I did with one of mine was take with a Macdonald clan. Macdonald originated in Islay, Scotland. Scotland has different whiskey regions and they're literally made different. Like Lagavulin that we carry is in Islay. Clan Donald originated in Islay. That's where the father of Clan Donald came from. They're known for their whiskey being peat smoked, and the peat is decomposed vegetation. They literally use it as a heating source in Scotland. And they also use barley to make their whiskey, so they dry this barley with peat smoke. And Lagavulin is known for that, as well as Lefroy. We carry both of those. So if you happen to be associated with a clan that is from that area of Islay or connected to Islay in some way, we have both of those available to use. We also carry Macallan. Macallan is known as the Rolls Royce of Scotch. In America, that would probably be your most well-known Scotch.